Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm giving you guys a makeup tutorial. Boo. On top of that, an affordable palette. So if you want to see how this look and more about this palette, go ahead and continue watching this video. So guys, before we get into the makeup tutorial, I'm just showing you guys some swatches of the colors because I'm only using I think about 3 of them out the palette. But as you guys see, they are very pigmented. So now you guys, you see me just using this concealer base, this white concealer, so the color can stand out even more. I had to fix my eyebrows. It was looking my girl, no, I need to go back and do that. So you guys, let's jump into this palette. I am listing all the shades that I'm going to be using because they are labeled. So that'll make it easier if you do have this palette, if you're trying to achieve this look. So now I'm just going to blend this color out. I'm going to blend it. So you guys know, you already know the routine. It takes a lot of blending to get that look you want. So you guys, I had this palette for over a week. And when I say I've been wanting to use it, but I just ain't been too lazy to just do a look. And you know, you can't really go nowhere. But I just want to get cute today. So I was like, let me go ahead and just dig into this palette today, y'all. Now I'm into my second eyeshadow, and it's that pretty pink. It's so pretty, and I'm just gonna put that all over the lids of my eyes, you guys. So you guys, I'm just blending everything out. For this look, it consists of a lot of blending to get this, get it right, sis. So you guys, I decided to go in with that third color. It's like an orangey looking color. It really sets it off as well. So I'm just gonna blend that out, and it's really pretty, guys. When I say this is gonna be my go-to palette for the summer, one of the palettes that I will be grabbing a lot because you can't beat it, and it's only $5, and these colors is very pigmented. So I highly recommend this palette, y'all. I really like it. And you guys, it was the last one, so I had to snatch it up real quick out of Walmart. So now guys, I'm taking this another Profusion palette that my mother-in-law gave me. Don't ask me where she got it from and everything because I don't know. She just gave it to me. And so I just wanted to be extra, and I did go over the same pink, but it's more like a shimmer. Those colors was more like a matte in there. So guys, these are the lashes I will be using. And yes, can y'all believe I don't have the hair glue? If you've been working with me, you know I use the hair glue. So y'all, I finally found a glue that I really like. But to be honest, it smells and looks just the same as hair glue. So I did find me some lash glue that I'm sticking to, because y'all know them other glues don't work for me. And so you guys, I skipped that part. The foundation I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So now guys, you see me just going underneath with that same pink underneath my eyes. I love doing this part. I mean, I love to add this underneath my eyes. You don't have to do this stuff if you don't want to. Just add you some eyeliner or whatever, or nothing at all. But I like to just be extra sometimes, okay? So I'm just gonna blend it out, you guys. So now you guys, I decided to go back with that other Profusion palette and add this shimmer pink. I love to put this in the corner of my eye. I just love putting a pop of color in the corner of my eyes. I was like, no, I'm just gonna keep it all hot pink I'm not gonna do nothing extra, but I was like, it looks too plain for me, so I just had to put in that lighter shimmer pink in it, and it really made it pop. And I really like how I did it. I really like how it turned out. I don't know why my daughter decided to. She want to take out her braids on my video. I have no idea why she wanted to do that, but we were just having a conversation, so it's all good. But anyway, you guys, this is the look. I decided to add, just me being extra, I added the diamonds underneath my eyes. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching.